the Photoshop creation of the cover, the display box cover. So first I go through, I've already deleted all of the layers that come, so it's just the background layer. You can see the two halves and the spine in the middle. So first I'm going to drag one image on and put that on the right side. Yep. And then second one for the left side, put her in the middle. Yep. Then come over to your rectangle tool thingy and just put a rectangle onto that left side over her, and then just make sure that image is on top of the rectangle, and right click to create clipping mask, so she'll just be on that side. And then if you really want to put a spine separate color, you can just create that. What I usually do is flatten from here, and then on a new layer with the selective, what's that called, rectangle marquee tool, I just come into the spine and fill it with color. And with the eyedropper you can select a color or whatever you want to do, and it'll just fill it with a block color. Just make sure when you do this that all you're left with on the right is just the elements that you need, like just the images, because if you've got clipping masks and not clipping masks, if you've got instructions on the side, you know, when you open the file it's got the big list of things to delete. When they go to print, just in case something is actually still there that you can't see, just make sure it looks like that, and then I just save it as a JPEG and you're good to go.